Alright, let's get it. So we got, what is it, par 3, 207 feet. I don't understand the difference between pin location A and B, but nice. Take it. What's up, y'all? Had to sneak out early style. We'll be having to get ready at like 4 in the morning and dip. It's the only way I can get out. Just got these new discs. Trying them out. Mid-range, the Shark. Ready to go. Can we hit it from here? Is the question. Look, let me see. That was pretty close, pretty decent. I'm not playing in a while. Can we get the par? Damn, let's go. Par style. Let's see, what's the next one?